पुल जो है वो इंडियन आर्मी के MEG यानी मद्रास इंजीनियरिंग ग्रुप द्वारा बनाया जा रहा है। इसके लिए बकायदा बड़े बड़े पेड़ की जो स्टेम है, बड़े बड़े पेड़ों को काटकर एक टेम्पररी लकड़ी का पुल जो है वो बनाया जा रहा है रस्सियों के सहारे, ताकि जल्द से जल्द रेस्क्यू वर्क में जो है और भी ज्यादा मदद मिल सके। लगातार बारिश हो रही है जिसके कारण जो है काफी चुनौतियां अब बढ़ रही है, लेकिन इन तमाम कोशिशों में आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से रेस्क्यू टीम्स जो है वो लगी हुई है। इंडियन आर्मी, इंडियन नेवी, इंडियन एयरफोर्स, SDRF, NDRF और तमाम जो लोकल रेस्क्यू टीम्स है वो भी जो है यहाँ पर आपको नजर आएगी। इसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं कि हेलीकॉप्टर्स का सहारा लिया जा रहा है। इंडियन एयरफोर्स के हेलीकॉप्टर्स जो सुबह लैंड नहीं कर पाए थे वो अब जो है किसी तरह से तमाम टीम्स जो एडिशनल रेस्क्यू टीम्स को बुलाया गया है, जिन्हें असाइन किया गया है, उन्हें अब एयरलिफ्ट कर जल्द से जल्द यहाँ पर पहुँचाने का कार्य लोगों को या तो एयरलिफ्ट किया जा रहा है या फिर जो तमाम टीमें हैं उन्हें किस तरह से यहाँ पर भेजा जा रहा है ताकि जल्द से जल्द रेस्क्यू ऑफ जो है वो किया जा सके।
Meanwhile, we have some breaking inputs coming in. Death toll has increased once again. Death toll mounts to 151. Let's take a look at this ground report that shows the extent of damage and devastation due to the landslides in Wayanad.
It's one of the worst tragedies to hit Kerala and especially Wayanad in recent times. We're here at Chularmala, where a landslide, not one but 3 landslides hitting various locations and multiple people trapped in various places. There are people who are stuck in resorts, homes completely under debris, and as we speak you can see the NDRF of course are using ropes and cranes. You can see cranes on either side. They've used a tree and now a body being brought, and it's an unfortunate sight. You can see of course they're using a stretcher. They are right now bringing the body through the gushing waters, because of course for the people, anybody who goes there, it would be very, very risky. What they're also doing is they've made a makeshift bridge, as you can see on the other side, where for people who are able to walk on their own, do not have too many injuries, they are being made to cross this particular stream. This is of course an area which does not see this much amount of water. It is because of the heavy rainfall and the landslide now that you have water gushing through the area. At this point in time, the local fire department, the police, the NDRF and the SDRF teams all working together. Now, after the body that was just brought in through the stretcher, using these metal ropes and the other ropes that they're using, they're trying to also, of course, move people who are injured as well. So this rescue operation right now continues. Through the way for us to get here, we've seen hundreds of ambulances. At this point in time, officially, the rescue teams say at least 100 bodies have already been recovered and the number is expected to only go up. How much of a tragedy it's going to be, considering the loss of lives has already crossed 100, and as we speak you can see of course an elderly woman now being brought to safety. She'll of course thank the teams who are right now working so hard to ensure that they can bring her to safety, like hundreds of others. While of course we've seen loss of lives, the rescue teams working here and the kind of efforts that they're putting in also of course gives a ray of hope to the people here who are still trapped, and of course the locals of Wayanad.